Assalamualaikum my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. I am your teacher Amna Naz and today I am here to teach you mathematics. So today I will tell you about different shapes. Now I will tell you about different shapes. Which shape is this? This is circle. This is circle. Which shape is this? This is square. Square. Now tell me, which shape is this? This is triangle. This is triangle. And which shape is this? This is rectangle. This is rectangle. Now we will move to our book and we will learn here different shapes. Now we are going to learn different shapes from book page number 43. We have first shape is circle. Circle. I am a circle. I am round. I don't have any side. As you can see, this is a round. It has no side. So this is circle. Circle. Next we have square. Square. I am a square. I have four closed equal sides. As you can see, it has four equal sides. So this is square. Square. Next we have rectangle. I am a rectangle. I have four closed sides. Two opposite sides are short of same length and two opposite sides are long of same length. So as you can see, these opposite sides are same and these opposite sides are same, but these two sides are long. So this is rectangle. Rectangle. Now we have triangle. Triangle. I am a triangle. I have three closed sides. As you can see, it has three corners. 1, 2, 3. So this is triangle. Triangle. I hope you all learned the shapes very well. So do the practice at home. Okay my dear students, now we are going to do an activity on our book workbook. So open your workbook page number 36. We have some different shapes and we are going to match the similar shapes. Now do the activity with me. First shape is circle. Circle. Now we will find out its similar shape. Is this circle? No. Is this? No. We have here circle. So we will match the same shape like this. Now next is square. Square. We will find out its similar shape. We have to find out where is square. This is here. So we will match the square like this. Okay, now next is triangle. Triangle. We will find its similar shape. Where is triangle? Is this triangle? Yes, it's a similar shape. So we will match it like this. Last shape is rectangle. We will find out its similar shape. So we have rectangle here. This is its similar shape. So we will match it. Like this. I hope you all got the concept very well. So do this activity at home. Thank you.